Welcome back to our channel. 25 is 26. Sorry. 26 is a simple question. Okay, so in biology, okay, you know some fact. You need to remember it, and then next step is first you need to remember some facts. Okay, some key terms, and then you need to remember the process. The process about how the key terms are related, and then last you have to remember the overall effect, okay, of the process. In biology, we always divide the one procedure into a lot of steps, okay, processes, small processes. So you need to remember the name, and in each processes, something is responsible for it, and something is responsible for that. And sometimes you can use a story or understanding of the word to understanding why this is that, that is that, okay, the relationship. But sometimes I apologize, okay? You need to memorize it as a fact, okay? Because it's a communication. The scientists, the biologists like to use this kind of wording to communicate. Sometimes they have a reason of the choice of the word, sometimes they don't. They just make it up. And we are not learning history or biology. We don't need to understand or find out why they choose this one. So for example, this one, DNA polymerase 1, first step. Okay, polymerase 1. Okay, so you need to memorize this polymerase 1, then must be 2. Right? Don't mix them up about their roles. Okay, so what is the role of a DNA polymerase 1? But the return is, if you remember it, you can do this question in 5 seconds. Remove RNA primer. Really? So you need to work, see, DNA polymerase 1, remove RNA primers. There is no way for you to guess it. Really low way for you to guess because the word is like this polymerase 1, so it is a remove RNA primers. Impossible. Impossible. So this one is the reward for memorizing the important facts in biology. Although you find out in IB biology, the important facts are huge and lots of important facts. But if you remember it, step by step, section by section, chapter by chapters, you more past paper. I'm sure one day when you do the real exam or in the final exam or year exam or whatever, you can do it this kind of question in 5 seconds. Really, trust me. And you can say, done with it, hooray, and say, thank you to the teacher, thank you to the IB. Give me so straightforward question. See you.